wealth, money, and prosperity. These are the dreams everyone aspires to, yet achieved by few. Today, let's talk about your relationship with money. So I'll start by asking you a question, and I want you to be honest, all right? Have you ever wondered why some people manage to become rich while others continue to struggle with debts and expenses year after year? Have you noticed something? Why does school teach us things we'll never use in life, but never teach us about money? Why does it have to be like that? If school taught you about money, perhaps you'd already be rich today. But if school didn't teach you, I will, because what you've never learned about money in your entire life, you'll learn in this video. Comment "ready" below if you are. Get ready for a journey of discovery. We will reveal secrets about how money really works. This goes beyond just saving and investing. Let's dive into the world of personal finance, entrepreneurship, and much more. Are you ready to change the way you think about money? Type yes in the comments. Let's start with simple things. Is money good or bad? We've been taught that money is something bad. You need to rethink your beliefs about money. Often in movies, the rich are portrayed as dishonest cheats, and you might think, I don't want to be dishonest or a cheat, so I'll remain poor. However, money can't be good or bad. People are good or bad with money. Money simply amplifies their options. I can use a sum of money to do illicit things, but I can also use that same money to buy food for the homeless. In this case, money is just a facilitator in our lives, but we determine the options. Say it with me in the comments. Money is a tool. How often have you heard that the rich won't go to heaven? I've heard it a lot. You might think, if the rich won't go to heaven, then I want to be poor, right? But most rich people are hardworking and honest. People trust them because they're trustworthy. Of course, there are dishonest rich people, but most aren't like that. When the media finds a dishonest rich person, they talk about it all the time, until we get the impression that all the rich are dishonest, which isn't true. So think of it this way. I will be an honest rich person. I've met honest and dishonest rich people, as well as honest and dishonest poor people. So rethink this situation because you'll never become something you despise. If you despise the rich, you'll probably never become one. So how about changing that perspective? Do the rich go to heaven? The Creator owns all the wealth in the world. He says, "The silver and gold are all mine." How could a God who owns everything want his children to suffer? The God of the Bible is full of grace, love, and mercy, and wants his children to prosper. We need to reconsider our thoughts about this. Now I need you to understand something severe. Money needs to be in your bank account or your pocket, but never in your heart, right? Could you repeat after me? Your money needs to be in your pocket or your bank account and never in your heart. When used for good, money can even facilitate your spirituality because you can use your money abundantly to help your needy brother. Some people are so mediocre in this that when they pray, they ask God only for their daily bread. So I ask you, if God needs you to feed a homeless person, what do you do? Since you only ask for yourself, if God wants you to financially bless a missionary on a mission on another continent, what do? You only think of yourself. Ask for yourself. Are you individualistic? No, you're not individualistic. You just have a mistaken thought about money that needs to be corrected. When you pray, ask God to greatly bless your financial life so that you can live well and bless others too. So we've already dispelled two big myths. The myth that every rich person is dishonest, and the myth that the rich don't enter heaven. Can we continue? If you understand, comment like this: I understand. The second level of financial stability involves spending everything you earn, leaving nothing extra for saving or enjoyment. This kind of financial management needs to be corrected promptly as it only allows for survival, not a fulfilling life. The third level is a step up, where you manage to save some money from your salary, but struggle to find the best way to use it, often ending up spending it on unnecessary things or keeping it in a savings account where it loses value due to inflation. The fourth and most recommended level is where you not only manage to cover your expenses, but also save some money. This surplus can be used to invest and generate greater returns, whether through entrepreneurship or investing. The goal is to make your surplus multiply, ensuring it is both safe, profitable, and easily accessible. Now let's talk a little about money. Money has 5 levels. Don't confuse it with financial levels. Financial levels are 4, which we just talked about. Now let's talk about the 5 levels of money. So subscribe to the channel to not miss future videos. It doesn't make sense for you to be watching this video until now without subscribing to the channel. If you're still watching, it's because it's making sense to you, and it will make even more sense if you subscribe. When it comes to money, consider these 5 levels. Please remember this advice. The first step to managing your money is earning it. This is essential. The next step is investing. If you have some money, allocate a portion to invest. This will help your money grow over time.